Hey, Frozen community! We've got a lot of feedback and support from you guys. Thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you. In the last video, we briefly introduced our newly upgraded printing process. Just in case you missed it, please check out the information below. And today, we're going to show you 2 brand new features of the Sonic Mighty AK. From now on, you'll be able to name your printer. Plus, for language settings, we provide 12 different options for you to choose from. So, turn on your printer. The system will guide you to the naming page. Then, you can name your printer here. It allows you to easily identify each specific printer while you have many of them operating at the same time. Next, for language settings, the Sonic Mighty AK is also equipped with 12 different options. If you choose traditional Chinese, this is how it looks like. And this is Japanese version. And it's very simple if you want to modify it later. Click Settings on the left and choose System. Choose Printer Name and then rename your printer. If you need to change the language, go back to Settings, click on Language, and choose the language you want. So, that's it! Printer naming and multi-language settings are some of our newest features. We hope that this will facilitate your printing process. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our website and pre-order now. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know, and we'll get back to you ASAP. See you next time!